Are you also getting any pop-up message on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram where the people are offering you some amount of money or some part-time job of good salary? If it is happening, then this video is for you, as a large number of Indians are falling prey to some cybercrime fraudsters. They're losing money. As per the data given by Cybercrime Control Center, Indians have lost 1776 crore rupees in the first 4 months of 2024. The National Crime Record portal says that the 7.76 complaints have registered in the year 2024 in the first 4 months of 2024, and more than 15 lakh complaints were registered in the 2023. All were related to the cyber crimes. So I will explain you about the methods which are used by the fraudsters, the most widely used methods. The first one is the trading scam. In this trading scam, the fraudsters provide you some advertisements on the social media where they also use some profiles or the pics of some trading experts, and people are getting influenced by these advertisements. They started getting free trading advice on their Telegram or the WhatsApp, and on that advice they started doing tradings. After that, they also being told to install some applications, and later it is found that these applications are not even registered on SEBI, which is Security and Exchange Board of India. What they do, they continue the trading, they continue to invest money and accumulate some fake profits, and when they try to withdraw their profits, they have been denied. And what happened? They have lost their money. The Indians in this trading scam have lost around 1420 crore rupees in the first 4 months of the year 2024. The next one is the digital arrest. In this digital arrest, fraudsters behave themselves as enforcement directorate officials. They call to their target where they inform their target that they have been caught with some intentional amount of illegal goods, some intentional money which is illegal, or some fake passports, some fake money, some illegal goods like drugs, and they demand money for the closure of the case. Indians in this scam have lost around 120 crore rupees in the first 4 months of year 2024. The third one is the investment scam. Under this investment scam, the fraudsters provide messages on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Instagram. They also add you in some groups as well. I don't know from where they get your number, but they add you in some groups as well, where they offer you some amount of money or some amount of part-time job. Under this job, they told you that you will be getting a good amount of salary, say 30,000. People get influenced by their offers, and they started getting falling prey into the trap. They started getting influenced by that, and what they do, they have been told to give some 5-star ratings on some applications on Google Play Store, and when they start giving 5-star ratings to some applications, they have been provided with a code. Under this code, they are also told to install some applications, and then again they are also told to start trading with some initiating amount of 500 rupees. And when they started doing trading, their profits is somehow fake, and when they started to accumulate some more and more profit, their profit, rather than increasing, gets decreasing, and they have been told that they need to do more trading for the profit, and they lost their money. Indians in this scam have lost 220 crore rupees in the first 4 months of the year 2024. The last and the most convenient is the relationship scam. Under this scam, there are some female clients of these fraudsters. They approach male people of India, and they propose them, they start relationship with them, and when they try to meet their partners, they demand some money. They tell their partners that they are in the urgent need of some money. They are being caught by some police officials or some airport authorities as they were coming to meet you, and they need some urgent money. So their male partners provide them money, and you know what happens after that. They have been blocked. They lost their money. And Indians in this scam in the first 4 months of the year 2024 have lost more than 13 crore rupees. 1-3. So these numbers are very shocking. Cyber crimes are continuously increasing, rapidly increasing in our country, and we need to stop it. We need to aware each and every one of our friend circle, of our family members. And hence this video is for you, to make you aware. So keep watching my videos for more such interesting contents. Thank you.